Hi guys, it's Shweta here and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing and diving into reviewing and using some products that I got my hands on recently. So let's get started with our video. So starting off, we have the first thing here, which is this one. This is the first product that I have with me. This is the Swiss Beauty Professional Face and Eyes Brush Set. These are all synthetic bristles. Open up the packaging. This is how the brush set looks like. Pretty, isn't it? I really love how it looks. This is a 6-piece brush set and it comes with like different brushes. So you have 4 brushes which are more like eye based and 2 of them are for face. Coming now to the brushes, the first one we have is a compact brush. So you can use your compact with this. Very soft actually. The second one we have is the foundation blender brush. The rest of all are like eye brushes. So you have the F04, which is the eyeshadow blender brush. You have the F03, which is the concealer brush. You have the F07, which is the highlighting and lash brush, of course, because you have like a lash thing. And you have the F05, which is the eyeshadow applicator brush. So we're going to be using it quickly on our faces to just know how it is. And I'm going to just take the foundation and put it on my face. So going with our foundation blender brush, we're going to blend the foundation which is on our face. Pretty soft on the skin and puts in the foundation pretty well. I think it blended it pretty nicely. I won't say this is the best brush you can get, but it's still very decent for the price. After this, I want to try one more product that I got. So after making it wet, it did enlarge, of course, as you guys can see, and it's very soft. So we're going to be using a little bit of the foundation, especially here, because this area I've not really touched much. Did absorb the product here, as you guys can see. I still feel it gives a decent coverage, not the best coverage out there, and it's of course not too expensive, but I still feel it's a decent blender. For my rating of this sponge, it will be a 3.5 out of 5. Okay, so coming to the next product as well is this one. This is their affordable range compact that they have. It actually looks pretty luxurious for the pricing. Again, when you open it up, this is how you get a full mirror, and you also get, of course, a puff, and you have a protective layer on top. This one has vitamin D and shea butter, and also has an SPF of 20, which makes it great for summers because it actually protects your skin from certain sun rays and exposures. So though it has a powder puff, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use instead the powder brush over here, the compact powder brush. This is how the compact looks like. We're going to quickly take it with our compact powder brush. Of course, it's taken the product. Just going to tap the excess and go. Okay, I love the fragrance. It's really soothing. I think this is my brand new favorite compact. I absolutely love the powder. It's so soothing. It's so nice yet not too soft. Sometimes if the powder is too soft, it just becomes a little more powdery on your face. I think this powder is one of the best compact powders I've used in the recent times, especially when you are talking about the affordable range thing. Absolutely love it. So it's pretty weightless, pretty matte, at the same time not rough or dry, since I have a very dry skin, so I have to be very careful about powders. But this one is definitely a pick. So for my rating of this product, it's going to be a 5 out of 5, definite must have. We have used the compact brush, of course. I think I absolutely love the brush, one of my favorites from the brush set. We're going to be trying the first lash brush, and I'm going to quickly go for the brows as well as the lashes. I think more than the lashes, I would prefer it on the brows, because if you have thick brows or brows which are like not shaped properly, this one is really helpful. So you're going to be also trying out the concealer. So I'm just using a normal concealer that I generally use. It's a more dark concealer. It just helps me out. I used to cancel it out, my dark patches, especially around the eyes, since it's been a problem due to my dry skin. Yeah, I can see that it's like taking up almost all the product. Not really a fan of the concealer brush, it just is not perfect. Also, it may be because of the concealer that I'm using, which is more oil based. So the next next thing we're going to do is our eyeshadow, of course. So I'm going to pick up some beautiful colors here that I have. We have the eyeshadow applicator here, so we're going to use that. I'm going to opt for a more neutral color look because it just makes it easier. I'm really enjoying this brush. It is really nice. And after that, we are going to blend it with the eyeshadow blender brush, and I'm going to take a more darker shade as such. I think the applicator was better of a brush because I think the blender is just picking up the shade that is already on my eyes. I need to put a little bit of pressure in order for the brush to make work. So the next thing we do is just use a little bit of the lash brush to get rid of the excess powder that's on our lashes. And the last thing we're going to do is use a lip color, and so I have a new lip color that I wanted to review, of course, and this is this one. This is the new Swiss Beauty Lip Satin Matte Lip Crayon, and I'm in the shade 213 Bare, which is like a very nice neutral shade. So once you open it up, it is a crayon, of course, and it is retractable, which is great, so you don't waste any of the product. I absolutely love this lip color. I think it's pretty affordable for the rate, as well as has a great texture. It's very lightweight and gives it like an absolute matte look. I love the satin finish. It's pretty lightweight and like nice and gentle, not too rough. The color is beautiful. It's gorgeous for everyday look, especially in the office and all. It just is perfect. So absolutely love the lipstick, and for my rating of the lipstick, it's going to be a 5 out of 5. After using all the brushes, I would say I have like a mixed reaction to the brushes. Few of the brushes work really well and few of them are like okayish. So my overall rating for the Swiss Beauty Face Professional Face and Eye brush set is going to be a 4 out of 5. Okay, so guys, with that we are done with today's video. Hope you really found it helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon below to get a regular notification every time I upload a video. You can also follow me on all the social media channels. All the links will be down in the description box below. I'll also be linking down all the products that you've seen on the video in the description box below, so you can go ahead, check it out and place an order in case you are interested or you like any of the products here. So with that, we're done. Hope you are happy, safe and healthy. Please do wear a mask every time you go out and stay careful. Ciao.